Legends, welcome to Sidi Kaouki. We're out here right now, about to go get a little surf session in. There's some good waves in Morocco right now. It's the winter season, which is also the surf season. We're gonna go jump in the water. We got Wasim,
Yeah,
we got Atman.
conditions looks clean and zwin.
Clean and zwing. Yalla yalla. And out here in Morocco, you got horses, you got camels, you got ATVs, all just chilling on the beach. Bunch of surf cafes, restaurants. This is the vibe here in Sidi Kaouki.
Yeah, baby, don't get my back.
Little session here at Sidi Kaouki. Some fun little waves. Super nice day out here. I know it wasn't the craziest clips, but I hope that gives you guys a good idea of what the waves are here like at Sidi Kaouki. You enjoyed, bro?
Amazing. That was so great.
Yeah.